Hello viewers, welcome to Dalif's Academy. Today we go talk about insulators. You remember for our last video we talk about conductors. We say conductors na those materials wey dey allow electric charge to pass through them to enable our equipment to work. Insulators na dem no dey allow electric charge to pass through them. I go show una example of wetin we mean by insulators, just as I show una example of wetin we mean by conductors. You remember that in the last video I tell una say if una wan carry out this kind of test, don't forget your meter, your measuring instrument, which is the meter. You fit decide to use analog meter, you fit decide to use digital, but more preferably may use digital, because digital go dey show you some figures. That analog sometimes, just as the name implies, if they say something dey analog, it means na something wey dey use before. So this one na digital, it means in dey current. So advisably make you learn how to use the digital multimeter. So if you wan test insulators, you go set your range. No forget say I tell you say this one name na range. You go set your range to continuity still. Na then you go be able to understand, see continuity here. This one na be continuity. You go see sign of speaker dey there. Na be continuity. For us now to check which one be insulators inside all these things wey we get here, we get book, we get our cutter, we get our spanner. No forget I say insulators na those materials wey no dey allow electric charge to pass through them. They block electric charge as they come. They no dey allow am pass. And I say we get book, we get cutter, we get spanner, and we don put our meter for continuity to check whether the meter dey work. See am, you see am, e dey make sound and e dey show, e dey display. E dey make sound and e dey display. So we will first test book, whether mo check whether book na insulator. You see am, book no read. E mean say book na correct insulator. Paper na correct insulator. See am, paper e no dey read, meter dey read, but paper no read. It mean say paper na correct insulator. Now we go check whether our cutter na insulator. You see say the handle of our cutter na insulator, e no dey read. But no forget say see our cutter get metallic parts. Im get part wey be say that na iron. This part now for this our cutter now na iron. Most see whether lights fit enter through am. You see am ba? So the metallic part of our cutter dey read. E mean say light fit enter here. Okay, now see simple example of conductor and insulator. This one now, since e dey read, e sure say im be conductor, no be NEPA. Imagine say current enter here, electricity enter here. For here now, electricity go fit waka round. If e reach here, im go stop. But for here, you see say this insulator don block am from here. From here where this metallic material stop, na there the charge stop. Here now no charge, but here see say charge dey. So this one are the differences between conductor and insulator. So this one na insulator, correct insulator. Glass na insulator, insulating materials. Glass na insulating material also. Air, even this air, see am now, you see say no any charges wey dey. It means say na insulator also. Thank you very much for your continual support, and we dey continue to beg, share our videos, like us on all our social media handle, follow us, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the notification button so that una go dey encourage us, so that we continue to dey produce more videos like this. And you can drop your own comments at the comment section. Anytime where you drop, we go check them and we go attend to them accordingly.